Hello, welcome, my dear, all my Facebook friends and my all viewers, fans, and lovers of my incredible, amazing talking, the Universal Jung History Time Studio, and the international languages and the international YouTube television channel for the worldwide nation, for the worldwide countries, online, live, in lifestyles, and the all thing whatever we need and we want to explain in the worldwide online to all humanity, to the all human rights, to the all human friends, humankind services, NGOs and the companies and business and the Facebook friends, to communication, to communicate our views, humanity views and the religious views and the education views. And there are the old topic we want to find and amazing talking and incredible talking. Somebody saying how that is amazing and incredible, nervous they are. So I explained many time. I did explain many time in my messages from 1 years. Our studio, international internet, YouTube, television, worldwide channel, and we presenting our all program messages in Facebook, internet, Instagram, Twitter, and in YouTube international television channels. We are talking about the new modern generation education field. What is the field of the new generation of the worldwide? There are some confusing, nervousing in the generation. Some are thinking about the science, some are thinking about the religious, modern religious talking, some are they confusing about the general education topic, some are they confusing about the international new modern generation, about the music, about the love, about the romantic, about the comedy and about the television program, about the film, Hollywood, Bombay, Bollywood, Hollywood, and the all international film industry artists talking about the comedian or the artist division. But I want to explain you seriously and the truly and very honestly as a human being, as a human rights being, as the humankind servicing being, as a human right being, for the all our international, universal, worldwide, global wide, all human brotherhood belong human, not belong from the other nation, but must you have to belong human, humanity, human rights. Then you will find us, then you will find us, and then you will find our great love and our great humanity, humankind services for the all humankind service NGOs, humankind, human rights, humankind services, humankind helping, supporting for justice, for peace, and for all thing about the over the basic program and planning. That is the new generation of the world. It's meant new modern generation of the universal, of the global wise, of the worldwide new generation, failing new scientists and the sciences, new computerized computer technology, education, discussing, talking about the world, history time, talking many years old ago, history time talking about the knowledges, talking about the education studies and the all chapters. There are the need. Who are the need? There are the all students belong universities, colleges, and the worldwide all new modern generation are studying and looking on the internet and in in the home and home service and in the human rights services. That is not easy and small talking and the not nervousing and confusing talking, because my millions friends, English friend, Arabian friend in Europe countries, in the American countries, in the English British countries, in the European countries, in the Arabian African countries, in Pakistan, in India, and in subcontinent, and in Asian countries, there are many friends. Because I have been living in Saudi Arabia about 15, 20 years, in Riyadh, in Jeddah, and in Egyptian, and in United States of Emirates, Dubai, Bahrain, Kuwait, Arab countries. I have been living there 15 or 20 years. Because about my parents, which we are belonged, they have been living there in about 60, 50 years. And my grandpa is very respectful, great person. My parents, my great father, he was a very genius, a very incredible, amazing, technical, international satellite communication engineer, as a scientist, as a professor, in having a job in Saudi Arabia, in Pakistan military and Pakistan Air Force, and he's servicing about 70 years from his young life. He was very, very greatest knowledgeist, an incredible, amazing, sweet person, and human lover, and God lover, and the Holy God lover, and humanity lovers. Like I am also going to his way, his greatest humanity way, humanity love way, humanity service, humankind services love way, and the like greatest holy God way, of the greatest holy books of God, education, studying, knowledges, ways, truth way, for the humanity, for the all human rights, which those are the searching and the looking about the truth and right way in the love life, in all life, whole life, for the truly and honestly to living and to take guiding and truth guiding and advanced guiding for the new modern generation, which are they thinking about the religious, about the science, and about the old parents and grandparents education. They are too confusing about the old modern way, and we are in the new modern generation love life ways. So now we have found it about the sciences and the scientists and the computer international sciences technology educations. I mean that is a no perfect thing. If you can't speak in English, you must have to learn and must have to get education, guidance, all knowledges in your mother tongue, in your country tongue, in your national tongue. That is a way of the correct and honestly, which was that you want to be a honest, honorable, and educated person and the good behavior person, because English is a only international English speech is talking way, because English is the best way, English is the sweet and great humanity way to talk, to communication, to helping, supporting, to working, business, and the all ways of the communication in the worldwide for the humanity, humankind rights, for human rights, for the humankind services in the nations, in all countries of the world, for the all human love, human lovers, and humankind servicing. There is a very perfect answer that English is the best, sweetest, and the greatest language in the world. So there are I have been advising you, presenting you my all languages interesting about the Arabian language. That is, Arabian language is also very great and the oldest language of the humanity in the worldwide. English is the toppest language in the worldwide and new generation, modern generation languages, because there are all subject, all education in the worldwide studying and the learning in English, and the all topic and all subject education books are coming in the English languages. So you must have to know about the English grammar, sentence, and the verb and noun and pronoun about the to make and to understanding English. That is a perfect and a great answer from me to my all worldwide billion friends, and in the Facebook and the YouTube channel, and who are they loving us and they love our program and messaging to helping, supporting for humanity, for humankind services, for the our international YouTube Universal History Time, amazing, incredible talking studio, which are organizing. I am organizer and the chief controller, chief advisor, and the chief editor of my international Universal History Time, a World History Time, a Shahanshah Jahan magazine, which was I am representing and the publishing in the worldwide from the 35 years, which was I have to show you for my magazine. That is, this is me when I was 32 years old. This is my picture and my name in Urdu, Shahanshah Jahan Al-Haj Dr. Shahanshah Jahan Ejaz Al-Ahmad, son of Dilbagh Muhammad Mughal Al-Haidari, my family and nation, Qawm and coast. So my name is Shahanshah Jahan Shahanshah Al-Ejaz Al-Ahmad, son of Al-Muazzam Abu Al-Ala Al-Haj Dilbagh Muhammad Mughal Al-Haidari. That is my magazine about the 500 pages, international language, in Urdu, in Arabic, in English language. And there are my picture, there are some famous historical years old mosque, Shah Jahan Mosque, and the palace of the Muhammad Akbar, the greatest king of subcontinent India, the Qila. And there are my friend Arif Lohar picture. Arif Lohar is the Pakistan Punjabi classical topest musician, singer, and he was my friend and he was working with me in television station Lahore, Islamabad and Karachi, Pakistan. In the back there are some famous Pakistani television artists, Ataullah Khan Isa Khelvi and Hamid Ali Khan, and the filmist, international Shah Noor Film Studio artists. There are Shah Bukhari and the comedian and somewhere. This is about 500 and the more than 1,000 pages international Shahanshah Jahan magazine. That is a very great and incredible, amazing, published in the worldwide, in Arabian countries, in the European countries, in Canada, America, Japan, African, Asian country. I have published and thousands and million magazines and publishing about from the 32 years. So I have introducing and I have been introducing this international magazine from 32 years, about the 50 editions and the about 500 small edition of the book, 500 pages, 200, 300, 500 pages, my international Shah Jahan Alamgir books and the history time books, I have published and I have bring out to publish new editions. There are too much demand in the worldwide. They are giving me and offering me $1 million to publish my all magazine in English, in Arabian, and in language in the worldwide. So second one is the famous my magazine that was about 1995 in the son of 1975 edition. That is a very amazing and introducing for myself, my parents, my grandpa, my mother, my parents, all life introducing in this magazine, and some Pakistan television and the Pakistan cultural, traditional, and the political and the national introducing program in this magazine. Also, this magazine is the 200 and 300, 500 pages. That was very famous and published many in the Pakistan and the worldwide. Also, my dear and my good friend, I am a artist, about all division artist, all-rounder artist, about the television artist, about the Shahnuri studio artist, about the Hollywood artist, about the international film studio of France, the Hollywood international artist. I am the story writing. I have been writing about 32 years. I have write and I have wrote many great romantic and love stories and history stories, about the worldwide prophet stories, about the king stories, royal stories, and the love stories. I have million stories have been written in my magazine Shahanshah Alamgir. Also, I am artist about the photo artist and the scenery and design artist. That is my one sample. This is a great picture of the greatest king of the David, son of Dawood, son of David, the greatest prophet and greatest king of the worldwide, universal king, and the greatest prophet, David, the father of this great king Solomon of the Jerusalem. Yes, this is make by my hand. Backside there is Noah. That is a great picture, Noah. That is make my hand and colors artist. Before about the 25 years ago, I have been making many historical novel, romantic novel, and the many my poetries book in English poetries, Arabic poetries, in Urdu poetries, in religious poetries. I have written about million poetries and the poems in English, in Arabic language, and in Urdu language, in Punjabi language. So that's mean I am also a great poet. I am also great writer about the world history time, billions ago old histories about the God prophet histories, about the human history, and about the poetry history, about the knowledge education history, about the science history in the worldwide. Because I was interesting from the when I was a child, so I have been studying in science and history and the religious topics. That was my subject, and I have been studying in U.S., United States of America. I have been studying in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and Riyadh, King Saud University, and also I have been completed my PhD Doctorate of Philosophy History in the great University of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Jamia Al-Imam Muhammad. And I have finished and completed. I have been studying from the Makkatul Mukarramah and Madinatul Munawwara, the greatest university, Islamic university of the worldwide, Jamia Al-Qur'an. And I also have been studying and visiting in Qahira, the oldest Islamic university in the worldwide. Also, I have been studying and visiting 1 year in Iraq, the oldest historical country of the worldwide universal. Also, I have visited Bahrain, Kuwait, Dubai, and I have been living in Saudi Arabia 25 years. My parents have been living there about 60 years. So, because we belong Muslim family, and the greatest Muslim family, belong Arabian, belong subcontinent Muslim Mughal family. My caste is Mughal. Also, we belong from Arabian mother tongue language nation. You don't know about the Mughal history because there is also English and international population are also do not know the Mughal history. But otherwise, I am very excited to inform you and introducing to myself, to my old friend, to know about me and my old life and my child life and my education life. I have been studying in Islamic history literature about the holy books, about the Quran, about the Bible, about the historical, all prophet of the God history knowledges, and the English knowledges, Arabian knowledges, Arabian poetry knowledges, and the world history time poets knowledges about the all general education and the general history knowledges. That was my topic, chapter, subjects, and very hard and very difficult. You cannot find a PhD university degree, and you can't take this study very, very hard. There are no historical and the historical philosophy of the Arabian language and the historical God, Bible and books, holy books knowledges, because in the universities there are no professor, no scholars about this lecture and about this studies. That is very hard, very greatest and very, very famous thing. Only because the Arabian is very tough and hard language in the worldwide. Also English is international sweet language, great language, but very hard and tough language, because English population can understand English. There are in English about 200 many other languages belong English language in the British countries and Europe countries and in American states, because there are more than 200 dialect and other various kind of English, but the only greatest speech, sweet English, belong from England, from the great British, from England and from America. The England and the American English are the very best and toppest and super English language in the worldwide. You cannot speak other English, but you can understand and speak, and easy and very sweet and very, very love life language, English language. So there are, they call international English speeches talking in the very, very modern generation and the English modern generation way. I love England, I love America, I love European country, I love Netherlands, Ireland, New Zealand, I love Arabian countries, I love Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, I love my mother country Pakistan, my great respected my parents, grandpa, grandmother, grandfather, my great father and my great mother belong from India and the great kingdom, Islamic kingdom, Republic of Pakistan. So that was, I want to explain not again and more, but who they are in the worldwide. They know my Shah Jahan International Universal World History Time magazine, and they have been studying in there are all countries in English and in Arabian and in the Urdu language. They know me. Otherwise, in my all country, in India and Pakistan and Arab countries and European and international countries, if they do not know and they do not know about my magazine and for myself, so maybe this is a new way of the international internet, Facebook, about I am using from the 20 years, 25 years, all internal division, international computer sciences, technology I am using from 25 years. And I have been making and publishing my international books and magazine from 32 and 35 years. My age is now 56. I am say 56, oldest. I don't feel a youngest, but I like and love to make a young life and always to be a young man and love life, lover, human man, love music, all thing, drinking, smoking, all thing, but only the way of the European countries, in the America, in England. In my country, I don't drink, I don't think only smoking, cigar and something, because and coffee, taking coffee, black coffee, white coffee, red coffee, because I have been in Saudi Arabia. They love black coffee, red coffee and the green coffee. That is a very, very important thing in the Saudi Arabian countries and the America and England and all European countries. They love black coffee, they love red coffee, they love green coffee. That is, and smoking and drinking too much there. That is not a fact, and difficulties. There are too much independent freedom in the worldwide, in all Arabian countries and in all European countries, in America and in England especially. That is a very, very famous country of the worldwide for the freedom of the humanity, for humankind services, for the human rights, for humanity, to make a love good humanity, to make friendship, love friendship, and to get a green card and the citizenship in the European countries and the United States of America and the England and Australia and Scandinavia countries and Russia and the all countries, about famously mostly in American states, in England, British states and European countries. They have lot of billion facilities and benefits for the all humanity, all human rights, all human kind services for the all human. Those are living and loving and working and studying there. They can get easily citizenship and the green card, and they can make a good marriage with good lover lady and girl, and richest girl and richest woman you can find easily, and you also can find too much and very, very great future of luxury future, love life future in the European country and the in American states and the England states, because there are all humanity, all English nation are the very, very grateful, not nervousing from the all non-education or uneducated and other human nation are living and working, studying there, because that is a great business also. So in Arabian country, only Saudi Arabia, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and other some Gulf and Middle East countries, you cannot take easily citizenship and green card, but with marriage you can take easily green card and citizenship in all countries of the worldwide. The marriage way, love life way is the greatest humanity and human right, humankind services way to find a love life and bright future and the bright luxury love life. So I want to say I have been explaining you about the international English topic, and English speeches and talking are the very greatest and sweet field to get to learn English and speech and to gathering to know each other and the love and for the marriage, for the study, for the communication, for the internet, for the all field of education to get and learning and teaching and advising in the worldwide in your around of the world, around of your love life and your home and house and around of you and your friends. That is a very, very great philosophy of the international great English speeches and the great English talking way. And like that, what I am explaining you, my dear, my sweet lovers, girls and all ladies and gentlemen and brothers and humanity, brotherhood. English is the very sweet language. We must want to learn and English to talk, to say to gathering, to know each other on the internet and Facebook and around of your love life and your friendship to gathering and the all parties and happy parties and the marriage parties and the all humanity parties and government parties and the government circulation and the government servicing and social welfare servicing to gathering to must have to know and to get introducing in the English and to your family, all family, to your all children, to our all with grandpa, grandparents and our relation and grand relationship to make a good friendship, love and the sweet love and the sweet friendship. Very, very honestly, truly, you should, must have to learn English for successful, for the bright future in the worldwide and the luxury, to get a luxury life, to get a citizenship of America, of American states, all states of America. They have very, very greatest offer. I have been studying in New York and Los Angeles and Washington DC and California. I have been studying from the Saudi Arabia support from the universities to Egyptian to Qahira and the Iraq and the Dubai and the many England and London. So I never find like England, like America and the Britain, Ireland, Netherlands, New Zealand and the Great Britain, Great England and the United States of American states. They are very, very greatest and the humanity countries and the human rights countries and humankind services, helping, supporting, offering, giving, surprising and the winning prizing and the money and dollars and support to older generation and the big aged woman and man, giving to jobless, very supporting and the surprising wazife and the many things in the worldwide. And also that is a very easy to get visa and the immigration and the whole thing in the worldwide. Also there are about the countries knowledges, maybe 300 or 350 countries in the worldwide. There are I heard in the international internet YouTube television channel, they are introducing some new countries about the worldwide. There are maybe 15 or 20 countries, a very new countries and a new kingdom in the worldwide, in European, in Asia and in American states. They build a new country and announce already. They have been announcing from 5 years, 10 years, everybody can get nationality and the citizenship and the green card and marriage and the open business and studying. They are free. Not at all. No money, no need, no money, no dollar, no pound, no real, no dirham, no Pakistan rupees, no Indian rupees, no yen and no euro. But must you have to win the connection on the international YouTube, television, advisor, guiding, and the website program of those countries. They have published and announced you can get the nationality and the citizenship freely, totally freely, 1 to all, A to Z freely, online to get and touch and fill the form of the citizenship immigration form, and only free you get in the maybe 24 hour or maybe in last 1 week or 1 month. No more time you can get in your home the international country's citizenship green card. That is a very, very incredible, amazing talking and incredible, amazing program. But I am sure that if there are some nervous thing and about the crisis in the worldwide and the corona बढ़ गया मां देना दे कोसे च पैच चौदा दलियां दे बगैर कित्थों बाड़ लेना ने. The corona countries, which countries? The corona countries, they are providing and supporting export and importing in the worldwide countries corona. That is a very, very great enemy, stopping and closing all things of the humanity, and they are a very greatest enemy and fighter and warrior against the humanity, human rights, human kind services for living, love life in the worldwide, in America also, in England, in British and European countries, in Scandinavia, in Russia, in Pakistan, in India, and Russia, Japan, China. But what is the corona? What is the corona? Oh, I am asking United States of America, what is the corona? Do you know? You are the very biggest and toppest language speaking and the very, very big and VIP standard country of the worldwide, United States of America and the Great Britain, England. But they are also confusing and nervousing. But they are not leaving corona. Why no why no leaving corona? Corona is not only germs, smallest germs, and they came from new technology of the atomic technology from the warriors and the nuclear technology. They are making some technology academies in the China, in America, in European countries, in Australia and Russia. They are the greatest superpower countries of the worldwide, who United States of America, the Russia, China, Japan, Australia, and there are Iran and some most Great Britain and some Arabian countries also. So, but they haven't, Arabian countries have not any technology and any atomic energy plant and somewhere atomic projects. But America and European countries and Russia and China, the great country of the world, they all have atomic energy, very, very greatest and very dangerous project. They are making corona. That is a big, great point and the incredible and amazing challenge in the worldwide. Because Pakistani and Indian, Asian are non-education, uneducated person, also political leader, also politician, also religious leaders, also government leaders are very uneducated and non-experienced. They are only talking, 420 talking all the worldwide and in Pakistan against the nation population of Pakistanis. They cannot do anything, just only talk and हवाई लफाफे छड़ना साड़ी कौम दी आदत हैगी पंजाबी का मकूला इन पंजाबी से हवाई लफाफे ते हवाई फायर करना हवाई धमाके करना ये साड़ी कौम दे ते सियासतदानां दे ते मुसलमानों दे ते लीडरां दे जैसा इमरान खान दुनिया दे हवाई फायर ते धमाके कर करके मुल्क नूं 2 साल दा कोरोना ना उड़ाता है वो पता है नहीं लगा इन्होंने आया उन्होंने कि कोरोना है कि कित्थों वड़ गए इन्होंने अंदर तो कित्थों वाड़ता इन्होंने जे दसिया तो इन्होंने टट्टियां इन्होंने लग जानियां तो इन्होंने मुल्क छड़ के भज जाना कि कोरोना लैके कित्थों आए और यही आए ने हू आर द मेकिंग ए बिजनेस ऑफ कोरोना द ग्रेटेस्ट कोरोना बिजनेस एक्सपोर्ट एंड इंपोर्टिंग. There are Imran Khan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, and President and the Parliament of Imran Khan, making corona and the shooting to all in the world. But who are the owner and supporter? You know, you research. You are the very, very great America and England and the Russia and the Japan and Chinese technology. They say came from China. Okay, I accept. I accept all things of government and Prime Minister and President. But they not accept our talking and our discussion and our request and the what I am saying, what 24 hours from the 2 years and on the internet, what I am giving humanity messages and humankind services messages. Who can understand? Population, the Pakistani, they are the very, very poorest and jobless and needless and the helpless population in the worldwide in Pakistan. They are not understanding what is doing a government, what is doing the foreign policy and interior policy and the parliamentary policy and what is the new policy and what is the old policy. That is a very great point. But who want to advising him? They say those are the old decade and the thief and the terrorist. That is his terrorist mind speaking with the population of Pakistanis. But terrorists are coming from outside. Corona is coming from outside. They say corona is making in Pakistan. What is the corona? They didn't have they didn't found any medicine and anything in 2 years. Why? Where are the old doctors, scientists and professors and education, higher education academy scholars and professors and scientists of the worldwide and the Pakistani and Indian? Where are going the corona and where are coming from the corona? What is corona? That is wrong policy. I don't accept. Corona वड़ गया मां दे घुसे ने सारे दे 14 दलियां दे कहंदे कोरोना आ गया. What I am talking? If I talk in my speech in Punjabi language, they not understanding Punjabi language. If I speak in Urdu, in Punjabi, in Pakistani languages, they are not understanding what I am saying, what I am helping, supporting for humanity, for the population, for the our Pakistanis brotherhood. If anybody and opposition leaders and the opposition parties coming out and making agitation against the government and against the parliament, against the prime minister, they are saying they are all decade terrorists. They are all against of the government. Why? Where are the freedom of Pakistan? Where are the Republic of Pakistan? Where are the parliamentarian freedom and the human rights and humankind services? What is it, Parliament of Pakistan? There are in the worldwide all parliaments are making a human rights and the solution and the humankind services and the humanity solution for nation, for all nation, for foreigners, for the national population and supporting, helping 24 hours. There are millions benefits and the facilities providing 24 hours. And there are online servicing in the worldwide in all countries. especially in America, especially in England, especially in the China, in the Japanese, in the European countries, in Arabian countries. When you want to open a link and contact online, that you can find only in 1 minute, in 1 second, and helping and supporting in the worldwide international. And you are saying they are not helping humanity, humankind services. I am also saying with you, but there are the making a big and great fraud against Pakistanis, against population, against the humanity, against the humankind services. They are only decade of the funds, billions, $1 billion fund. They want to taking fund, and हड़पेंगे इन टेढ़े माँ कुछ ऐसे फंड जो है वो सिर्फ हासिल करना चाहते हैं. They are only want love fund, money, dollars coming from out, from interior, from the all side, and do not want to invest, do not want to help and support humanity for population of Pakistanis, poorest Pakistanis, the lover Pakistani, do not investing and making and developing the Pakistan. That is my great point. Thank you very much. So you must have to learn English. English is your international English speaking, talking studio. You must have to make your good communication, humanity, humankind services, for human rights, for humanity, for Pakistanis, for the all human brotherhood and Arabian and Muslim brotherhood and the all human brotherhood to support and helping. Must you have to complete your humanity services and helping always. So my dears, English is the very, very sweet language. If I open America all department on the online internet, you can find all are receiving and the connecting and helping and supporting in the worldwide. So my dears, welcome, see you. Inshallah Ta'ala, I am giving you second message about the English learning, teaching, the international sweet English languages in the worldwide.